Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can update Disney app in your smart TV LG WebOS. Now pay attention, you need to open your LG Content Store, that is the App Store or Play Store like your mobile, okay? But in TV is LG Content Store, is that app. In my TV is color pink, maybe in your TV can be blue or green. Open LG Content Store and find that Disney app. Now, this is the lobby. This is the trending apps. Can I see here? Maybe can I find Disney? If you don't see Disney here, can you open your search bar and write Disney or open your trending apps? Okay. Okay. This is trending apps. Apps. Open this and search Disney. Now open Disney and make your update. Now pay attention. In my case, in my TV, can you see this say side start? Okay, ready. But if you has add to update, I don't have update. Now if you has update, can you see in this button say update? Now touch here and make your update. Download the last version. My TV this say start. Okay, open, because I already for this I have the last version. Now this is all for this video. Sorry for my English, I know that it's awful, but it's my best way for to get more experience with my speak. Sorry. Have a good day, see you later.